When you first get into teaching, you kind of want to hit the big stage as soon as possible.
Biomimetics begins with falling in love with nature.
And you soon realize that A, you're not good enough, B, it's just way too soon. And there is obviously a progression. Now don't get me wrong, you feel absolutely amazing when you're on the big stage and everyone's watching you and everyone's like loving your cases or not liking them, whatever it is, however you want to take that attention. But you'll soon realize that that isn't teaching. What MSM has taught me, what is real teaching, where you're sitting down, you're educating and learning and actually showing them what you're doing. My mentors have always freely educated me, and I genuinely feel that what I know, knowledge, wisdom, experience, whatever you want to call it, it doesn't belong to me. So it's very, very important for me to give that back out into the profession. We have a huge variety of delegates that attend our course, from newly graduated dentists to well-seasoned dentists, people returning back to the profession, therapists, specialists, whatnot. But irrespective of their background and where they are in their career, the most satisfying part of it is when the feedback comes back to us and it says, "You've changed the way I do dentistry."
It was an amazing experience.
Extremely informative.
I think he's great. It's applicable.
Unreal.
He's a great speaker.
Just, he knows everything.